You guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I will be playing some battle cats. Now yesterday I claimed out all of my rewards for the 9th birthday, so that's why I have 1,000 cats. Also, I don't know why my new video showcasing a level that I'm making in geometry dash with my friend is a collab level. I don't know why, but even though I added credits and a link to original song video, it still got copyrighted. Like, why? Now that I have 2 copyright strikes, if I do copyrights, we get one more that will have 1 strike. Oh my god. But okay, let's do this. Okay, first there is this new, no, this is a new, yeah, we get to expand. I have 1,050 cat food, so you know what that means. Oh baby, oh my god, look how much cat food I have. I am invincible. Nothing can stop me. Oh my god. Holy. I'm invincible. Nobody will be able to stop me. Yeah. I got Uber cat. Okay, Uber cat. Oh my god, these guys are expensive. Would you? Okay. Okay, that's all. What level am I on right now? 3. I am so far. So my rank is so big, but yeah. Hollywood, it's time to be defeated. Hollywood. Oh no, I don't like this intense music. Anytime there's intense music, there's a high chance this is going to be bad. This is going to be very bad. Smash! I need to get cat food faster. Come on, come. Okay, die. Come on, die! Hollywood! Fire in down! Come on! Die! Hollywood is strong, oh my god! I just found basically all of my cats on this one. It's a cute Hollywood. Yes, I got in there. Yes, GG. I did not get it. Next is Alaska. Is the moon level coming in? It's be coming up very soon. Alaska, you are next to be defeated, YOLO. Is this bit Alaska then? Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no, I know this level with the spamming squirrels, not the spamming squirrels. I hate squirrels. You made me do this. I didn't want to do it, but hasta la vista, amigos. Hasta la vista. Okay. And nothing there. Nothing there. Oops. Come on. This will kill like a bunch of. Perfect. Now I'm ready. Now I'm ready. It will be this slow, super fast because only have 6% battery left, and I do not want to get Okay, now I'm gonna can hold out these stupid squirrels. I hate you, squirrels. I hate you. Okay, nice, perfect. I am winning this, no baby. So this is part in my Battle Cat series. Let's go! Oh no, the bear is back. Oh no. Shooty! Okay, come on. Oh no, the butterfly. So sorry, but there's my camera again. Okay. Oh no, can't die to a butterfly. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh my god, what the hell is that butterfly doing? Can't die already, oh my god. Why is this guy, why is it so strong? Oh my god. Yep, I'm done for. I am literally done for. I can do nothing, boy. I can do nothing. Oh my god, yep, it's over. Come on, do something. Why didn't that kill them? Why? Now they're stupid. Where did these guys come from? Oh my god. Oh my god, come on. Yeah, I cannot do this. So I accidentally my mic. Well, this will be the end of the video. I will continue later. So I think you for watching for now. We'll see you in a second. Okay guys, I am back. I'm back. I tried to beat the last guy, but it's too hard. So I'm later just going to turn on everything and see if I have a higher chance of beating him and see how far of these abilities also. So I will be able to do something. Oh my god! Oh my god! What up? Yo, what the hell? Look how many that was just a mass killing. Oh my, they're like a thousand hair falling. Can't die. Oh my god. Holy. I don't have bad moves. I don't need it. Wait a second. That was so fast! Turbo machine active. I have no idea what a turbo machine is, but I activated. Yay! I guess. Let's see what a turbo machine is. Save. Turbo machine. Oh, can recharge is faster, nice. Oh yeah, that was it. Okay, what is the last level of Battle Cats? What is the last? Listen guys, I will have to actually search this up to see what is the last level in Battle Cats server. I just searched about Moon. Okay, Moon is the last level. I knew the what's the level before that. Have I also? Oh no! Oh no! I actually took all of my power-ups instantly. No, I didn't want to do it. Oh well. Time to beat Hawaii, I guess. Let's go. This thing. And fire. Here I am, my phone, as you can see. Start, so yeah. Yes, again. Let me see that. Go. Oh. Perfect. Look at that. Look at all of these guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's oh my god, baby. Let's go. And they play anymore. It literally broke. I literally broke it. How did I broke it? Yeah, I'm not dying, but I got something. That's a gum out again, man. I'm gonna six expedition. Let's see if I can get from this and are you serious, bruh? Because I have a lot of XP. Yeah, I actually use the XP to upgrade my cats. There's always to get those things to upgrade. All of these are just level 1 level left to upgrade. Okay. Now I actually upgrade the other ones before that guy. Okay, and now I got this guy. And yeah, those are all I can upgrade. But yeah, 300, rank 342, wow. Oh my god. Let's do 1 please. I have no idea what that is, but it is like, oh my god. It is literally that level. It's time, guys. It's time for the moon. Well, I've been preparing for this for a while. It's time, guys. I've beaten every single level from Korea, not Denmark, all the way to the moon. Well, it is time, guys. Let's go. It is time to beat the moon. It's been a while since I've played this. It's been a while. I need to use everything I have. Oh my god, this will be hard. Let's try with different travel with a bunch of different cats to see which one is the best. Okay. Oh my god. It's actually time to fight the moon, guys. Oh my god. Okay. Almost all of my cats are close at the head, so I'm doing a lot of damage to it. Fire. Okay, I push the back. I got a bit aggressive there. I'm literally just launching every single cat I have. I'm trying to work it as much as possible. Come on. I'm trying to but I can't go with this guy, so I have to be yeah. Can I just contact the robot? Okay. Then I just will be enough to hold them up. No, these other animals are blocking my cat for attacking the head. But not anymore. Okay, go here. Perfect. Spam. Okay, that's all. That's all enough from you. How many of my cat blasters I have to use? Oh my god. I'm trying my hardest to hold them back. Come on. He has to be down like at least halfway, I guess. Now the hippos, they're blocking me from him. Perfect. Yes, I killed him. I killed that baby. Let's go now. It's no matter. The surface no matter anymore. They cannot do anything without a head. Come on, man. A second out. Fire. Look at how fast time attacking this. Oh my god. This is the first time I found my guess to reach out there will do something amazing. Come on, reach out and go. Perfect. Look at this. And yeah, I did it, baby! The moon. The Bible has been activated. Let's go. Oh my god. I did it. After all the battles, narrate the voice activated. After all the battles, the world was all run by the cats, by the battle cats, a government of cats. By the cats, for the cats in this new world. Oh, that's right, Dad. In the end, nothing really changed. Well, if I have to say something, I see a lot more cats nowadays. That's pretty much it. Oh, by the way, I had a cat come into my office for a job interview. He didn't get in. He might be really busy. But a cat is just a cat. However, I do feel like if I see one in the office or at school, would you? Yes, I would. Anyways, congratulations to the Battle Cats. Thank you, Battle Cats. Battle Cats forever. And Battle Cats forever. Yes. And we have the end. Wait, what? What? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Don't tell this is the end. It is never the end to the Battle Cats. It is never the end. Come on. Come on. Yep, new chapter. Look at all of these things I have unlocked. The battle, man, nice. I beat the game at their 9th birthday. Let's go out. We have all of these things. Now we have this song and settle to enter. But guys, it is that all? Just a golden ticket again. Since I only got golden ticket for being the entire game, you serious? Okay, let's open these guys before we finish up the video. Nice. Cool. Nice, a bad cat. Next. And what we get. And look at that. Yep, I do work. And last but not least, I have this guy. But yeah, I did it. We have the cat food, nice. That guy. But yeah, we did, guys. Zombie outbreak at Italy. Monaco. And look, they can see if I want them to be strong or not. Cool. I like that. Now let's Same. And yeah, this is amazing. Combo list. Get the combo. Okay, so worker can start leveling up. Okay, so I have to use all of these guys, okay. Okay. And upgrade. I gotta see this. No, no, no. But yeah. Also, with the calendars, event schedule, cat food. What I use? Then I have the calendar thing. There's a zombie outbreak. A detailing. Let's try it out. Why not? Let's try the zombie outbreak. Oops. I gotta turn these things up. Let's do this. A zombie outbreak. Hello. Will this be easy? Just speed up the game, it's like... Yeah, there are some normal cats. Yeah, but I'm definitely not going to do this. Yeah. Oh my god, look at all of these guys, holy. Zombie outbreaks are too hard. Yeah, rip. Nah. But yeah, but it isn't done. It is not done. The thing that I want to do is get every single star is a golden star here. This will take a while, but I will do it. So yeah, this is the end of today's episode, and before the end of the video again, I just buy something. Oh well, I don't have money to that, but yeah, thank you all for watching. But yeah, we did. Next is Emperor of Darkness. This is the next thing that we will be trying to do. So yeah, that is cool. Also, I will also try to use the dojo. I can't wait. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the end of the video, but I will still continue playing the game. So yeah, thank you all for watching and bye.